Me?
Yeah.
Wow.
Don't put it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pretty girl. Oh, got you.
Mommy.
That's shit.
1, 2, 3.
Nope.
Go. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Bruh. Watch out, watch out. And his name is John C.
And your daughter's reading.
I'm just a girl. I got you this.
Oh, thank you.
Huh?
But what the hell? Well, what's more this?
Oh my god.
What?
Bubbles.
Your balls hurt?
Yeah.
Sometimes I wish I had a daughter, bro. Because this thing is just walking around carrying his nuts. My little girl would do that.